Hello guys and welcome back to this channel. Where today guys I'll be showing you how to go and fix a Whatnot app not working or crashing. So guys, the first thing that you of course need to do is go to the Google Play Store or the App Store and download the application itself. Then log in with your credentials or register if you haven't already done that of course. But now guys, let's see how you can actually go and fix Whatnot app not working or crashing. So first of all, you can force close the app and reopen it. So close the app completely from your recent app screen, then launch it again. You can check your internet connection, so you can switch between Wi-Fi and mobile data to see if the problem is in connection related. If you use a VPN, try temporarily disabling it. You can update the Whatnot application, so open the App Store on iPhone or Google Play Store or Android and search for Whatnot and install any available updates. You can restart your phone, so restart can clearly clean, of course, temporary system problems. You can check your storage, so if your phone is extremely low on available storage, free up some space and try Whatnot again. And you can, of course, reinstall the whole, of course, application. If none of these things help, you can go to the Whatnot Help Center. You can go to your account in the bottom right corner. Then scroll down here, we have Contact Us, and you can then, of course, then give them the report that you need and what happened so that they can, of course, go and help you with the crashes when of course you get in contact with them. So guys, that will be everything for this video. I hope that you found this video informative and entertaining guys. If you did, don't forget to like this video, share it, subscribe to the channel and put the notifications on, as guys this really helps us grow our channel. So that will be everything for this video. I hope you enjoyed it and I'll be seeing you in the next one. Until then, as always, until next time, bye guys.